Ladies and gentlemen, fellow seekers of knowledge, welcome to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today, I invite you to journey with me into the fascinating world of biological classification, a realm where logic meets life, and where the chaos of nature is gently organized into patterns we can understand. At the heart of this endeavor lies a deceptively simple tool, the classification key. Now, what exactly is a classification key? Imagine walking through a dense forest, surrounded by unfamiliar plants and curious creatures. You pick up a leaf, long, narrow, with serrated edges. You wonder, what species is this? A classification key is your guide. It's a structured series of questions or choices that lead you step by step to the identity of an organism. Like a scientific detective, you follow clues, leaf shape, number of legs, presence of wings, until you arrive at a name. There are two main types, dichotomous keys and polytomous keys. The dichotomous case is the most common. It presents two contrasting statements at each step. For example, does it lay eggs? If no, it's a mammal. If yes, another question. Are the eggs hard-shelled? If no. If yes, it's a bird. If no, does it have gills? If no, it's a reptile. If yes, does it have lungs? If yes, it's an amphibian. If no, it's a fish. The polytomous case, indeed, it's like multiple choices. Each decision narrows the possibility. It's a process of elimination, not unlike solving a mystery. When you are not sure what the correct answer is on a multiple choice question, eliminate answers you know are wrong. Try to find the right answer in the text. Don't depend on your memory. Look for clues. Take your best guess from the answers that remain. And finally, it's better to take an educated guess than to leave an answer blank. And this process is not just for biologists, students, ecologists, even forensic scientists use classification keys to make sense of the living world. But here is the beauty. Classification keys don't just help us identify species. They teach us to observe, to notice the subtle differences between a beetle and a bug, between a fern and a flowering plant. They sharpen our minds and deepen our appreciation for biodiversity. In a world where millions of species coexist, many still undiscovered, classification keys are more than tools. They are bridges between curiosity and understanding. They remind us that science begins not with answers but with questions, and every question is a doorway. So, next time you find yourself wondering about a strange insect or an unfamiliar tree, remember, the key to unlocking its identity might already be in your hands. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.